what are the 2 or 3 stocks that you think are likely to outperform in today's bullish trade, which is also the last day of the monthly expiry? Vinit, good morning.
So Shell, just one caveat is that I am not a crystal ball gazer because I cannot tell you what will stocks do today, which ones will do better. But I think Nestle and Colgate have, sounded the resumption of the bull trend in the consumer's pack. So I believe that these two stocks, along with
Yes.
Jyoti Laboratory, should do very well. But my two picks, which I think look very interesting, are BHEL. I believe that the counter, which has been out of favor for a very, very long time, almost more than a decade, is now coming into its own. So, if you see their order book is about 5x the annual turnover. Uh, they're diverse. The next 2 years are going to be very, very strong from thermal deliveries for coal projects. Uh, and their long-term plan is to, decrease the thermal contribution to about 50%. They're expanding into railways, defense, electronics, solar. So, it's a very, very, very strong order book. Margins are going to be better this year, and I believe that the stock is coming out of a slumber after a very, very long time. 2008, the stock had hit around $40, and today it's just 100. So it's really been a laggard, and I think that trend is turning around. So this is one stock which I think has got low risk, and the other stock which I like is, again, it's a little offbeat item. It is called Dredging Corp. The company has done 1100 crores revenue last year. This year, we think that they could do 15 to 20% higher. But the most important thing is that the margins, which were until 2019 at around 25% and had dipped to 15%, we expect them to climb back up again. So, in my opinion, this stock is available at 4 times EV by EBITDA. This year itself. It's a 7 on a trailing, but I think for this year it's a 4 times EV by EBITDA. And if you just see the things that margin expansion, slight revenue growth, and your bottom line could expand very sharply. And this stock has not been giving dividends since FY19, since the time COVID onslaught. So I think it could come back to the dividend
Yes.
repayment trajectory, and the stock can move up to around 500 levels.
Okay, let's just discuss these two stocks detail. Coming back to BHEL, all said and taken, Vinit, a fabulous price discovery that's happening in the entire PSU space, and of course BHEL being at the forefront. A lot of good things are happening. The price point at 98 is still affordable for a lot of traders, whether on the FNO side or as also on of course the cash part. And what's interesting, Vinit, is that the delivery statistics for yesterday, as also the rollover cost and the rollovers are pretty strong. So you say 140, that is likely to come, say, in the medium term. Is there a stop loss that you would want to place, just in case there is a broad market sell-off and these sell-offs do happen? What would be a level where you would say that let's rework the charts, let's rework the finances?
I'm of the opinion that this trend is very much in the orders that they've received. So I'm not seeing that the performance will deteriorate too much. And considering the fact that the runway is very, very strong, I believe that a level of, say, 85 would be a very reasonable level to hold on to the stock, and below which you can say that the trend has kind of not playing out as we expected.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.